Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by salvaging the audio subassembly and power rails from the old TV. This is about parts and safety. Remove the speaker, output transformer or audio amp IC, main PSU connections, and the volume pot. Once done, discharge any large electrolytic capacitors with a resistor and confirm 0 volts. Make sure to avoid the CRT anode area. Keep labeled photos and notes so you know which pins are ground, speaker out, and the switched power rail before proceeding to bench work. Now rewire the salvaged audio path into a clean layout. Use a small perf board or metal chassis, establish a single ground point, and run short return paths. Add a 1UF 10UF input coupling capacitor, and if necessary, a simple preamp transistor or op-amp to match signal level. Match speaker impedance. Most TV speakers are 4 to 8 ohms, so include a DC blocking cap on the speaker line. Power up with a current-limited bench supply. Probe rail voltages, then inject a low-level tone. Finish by mounting controls and jacks, fitting a fuse and securing heat sinks. Good mechanical assembly prevents intermittent faults. Once enclosed with ventilation, test with real audio material at low volume, gradually increasing while watching for heat and distortion. Make sure speaker polarity is correct so bass is intact. If you hear hum, hiss, or distortion, check for poor ground joins, bulging electrolytics, or a misbiased transistor. Replace faulty capacitors or tighten grounds to eliminate noise and regain stable performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.